This is a walking Furby robot I helped Evan and Caitlin create earlier this year, and I wanted to show off my half of the collaboration. It all started with the Zoom call where we chose the best form the robot should take. Then I got straight into modeling up the facial features. After getting a 3D scan of an original Furby's body, I knew how much room I had to design the servo system. Also, all of this was being added to a robotic dog, so I needed to make sure I had a solid plan for attaching the Furby to the robot. After a couple days of printing, I cleaned up all the parts and did a quick test fit. Everything looked good enough, so it was time for sanding and painting. Once all of the paint was dry, I first installed the eyelashes on the eyelids, then cut out the details for the pupils and installed them with some glass domes. With all of the parts prepped, it was time for final assembly. Everything fit like a glove, so I began programming the servo controller. Then, in the blink of an eye, Coco the Furby was alive. He could talk and blink just like the original Furby. I then packed him up to let Evan and Caitlin take over the next steps. They did a phenomenal job at finishing his look, and he now has a huge online fan base that loves him, despite his flaws. I thought I'd never get to see him again in person, but I was lucky enough to meet him again at Open Sauce. More of that story coming soon.